Hey everybody, it's Jason Creel and this is Lawn Care Life. Today I'm going to sharpen some lawnmower blades. I want to tell you a few different options you have for sharpening blades. I'm going to demonstrate one way to sharpen your lawnmower blades. Alright, so the way few options you can do, and you can have like a bench grinder is one way to do that. Like I'll show you right over here is you can literally just hold your blade at the right angle with a bench grinder and let that do it. That's not my personal preference. Before I have the tool, we'll show you that if you have like a vise, a bench vise, you can put the blade in there on the vise and let it hold it. And then you just use like a angle grinder like this to use it. But what we're using today is the All American Sharpener. It's a great tool. It basically does the same thing, but it just holds it for you at a great angle. So it's like you attach your angle grinder to it instead of me holding it and trying to keep that angle when I'm sharpening it. It just is going to hold it at the right angle for me. So you just unscrew this screwdriver handle here, put your blade in there. And I'm going to put my ear and eye protection on. And see, the way this is going to work, it's just going to keep it. It just automatically keeps it at the right angle because it's attached to a handle over here. So. Thing is, it holds it at a good angle and it's obviously fast. Now when I sharpen blades, what you'll notice, oftentimes the majority of the cutting is done with the very last inch of the blade. So this part down here doesn't really need as much sharpening as this part. So you might want to spend a little extra time on this. And then you want to leave as much metal on there as possible. And you're not trying to get it down to just a razor sharp because it's not going to hold an edge much at all. So I'm trying to take off as little metal as possible and make it reasonably sharp, but not make it so thin that it doesn't hold up. So anyway, like I said, you can use the All American Sharpener is great. A bench grinder works. You can use just a handheld grinder in a bench vise. Either way, you're trying to accomplish the same thing, maintaining that same edge. Don't take as little metal off as possible and focus on the end of the blade, which is where most of the dulling is going to occur. Hope the video is helpful. You can check out the other videos. And if you're in the lawn business, go to lawncarelife.com. There's a lot of resources available for you there. Appreciate you watching. Give a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Talk to you later. Bye.